So here I am about to replace the taps on a pair of my wingtips here, and I'm using one of the screwdriver heads on my Swiss Army knife to pull off the old tap right there. It's there's an adhesive on the bottom of these taps, and you also nail them in with 3 small nails. These all come in a set. I got my taps from Amazon.com, and you just look for shoe taps, get the plastic ones, not the metal ones. And so you can see some of the nails don't come off necessarily with the tap when you pull them off. So I got to use these little small pliers to pull them out very carefully. I used to have these done at the shoe repair, but it's not that hard once you get the swing of it. And so not only am I saving money by having these taps on at all, but I'm saving money by doing it myself. I'm always a big DIY person when and if I can. So there we go. It's ready for a new tap. There's a new one. Just peel off the strip on the back and expose the adhesive. And there are no holes all the way through the taps. You kind of make them. They're little starter holes right there. You can see them. So I stick it where it belongs, in the bottom of the shoe. If you have a new pair of shoes, you should wear them a little bit just to see where you're wearing the heel in, so you know where to place these. And again, this prevents the heels from being worn in to replace. This is all just to save money, basically. So there's one of the nails, and I put it in one of the little starter holes there at the tap and pound it in. I'm using a hammer I stole from my college roommate, Joe Costco, back in 1989. In 1990, when we lived together at Boston College. Sorry, Joe. I should buy him another one. Some heels are tougher than others, but these nails tend to go in pretty readily. It's not too hard. And if you're feeling really fancy, I suppose you could remove the adhesive residue under the heel with something like WD-40 or 3-in-1 oil, but like, what's the point? This is just how I do it. And hammer them in, essentially. But as I was saying, yeah, this is just to prevent wear on the heel, so you don't have to get the heels replaced at the cobbler, which over time can be expensive. So instead of wearing out my heels, I wear out the taps, and I just replace the taps. And that is a finished tap, all nailed in. Nice, nice. Check it out. And ready to wear.